AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a custom dual dancer unwind, rewind station with a cantilever design and flanges for quick and easy loading. Material is loaded onto one or both of the unwinds. The cantilever design allows for quick and easy loading. Toolless flanges can be removed and locked in place. Unit is powered by an AC variable speed motor and drive. Drive motor contains a constant loop of material. The loop will feed back to the motor control, creating consistent tension. A rising dancer arm controls both the unwind and rewind tension. Dual unwinds are mounted on a common stand and aluminum base plate. The plate can be mounted to stand, or can be implemented into a process through mounting holes. The stand supports both unwinds and is designed to customer specifications. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.